Hello, this is Omar, son of Miss Orlean. As you know, I am working as a president and president across world, like 5 times Israel president from 1988 onward to 2008, and president of France, president of the United States of America, elected 4 times in elections 1990, 1992, 1994, 1996, 8. 2000, 2002, 4, 6, 8. Elections are happening after 4 years, but sometimes if there are any mishap or any problems that bringing different kinds of narrative like concentration inequalities, numerical optimizations in terms of Fourier transform, manned launches, complex socio-technical system, robotics spacecrafts comprising the concurrency management, wireless and sensor networks, space networks, or ultra wideband communications, finite state of uncrewed air in a real-time constraints, and you know that I had confront communication and meeting in Singapore in 2022. 7 November, 8 November, Marina Bay Sands Hotel. I directly visit Changi Airport to Marina Bay Sands Hotel in Singapore. 7 November, 8 November 2022, because the members of European Commission, state members, there are 600 plus states, and the United Nations ambassadors, members, Security Council members, and president, they came in Marina Bay Sands. President of the European Commission, Vice President of the European Commission, President of the European Parliament, President of the European Central Bank, President of FATF, President of different state intelligence agencies that govern the radical race, religion, spirituality, imaginative literature, observations, expressions, explorations, surveillance, sex strikes, aestheticization of precarious repertoire, fiction astute, violence, politics, power art, skin color contains the richness of multi cultures, identities, nation, family, sexuality, nature, money, origin, violence of migration, race, fragmentation, transonic flow, conjuring apparitions, solutions of notion of spatial evaluate, examine the illustrate artful meticulous turmoil, ergonomics pictorials, demystifying legal covenants, diverse teachers, cure of life-changing narrative, thought, feeling, insights, hopes, failure, confession of cognitive assumptions, and in engineering and causal interference like covariance, correlation, regression, include continuous conditional analysis theorems, discrete probability, context of engineering relationship, cause effect, understanding, modeling of uncertainty, subject of solutions, contribute to the discovery focused concept applications, drawing on research interdisciplinary character of the cognitive reflex of analysis, employment of variety of appropriate methodologies as we discussed in Marina Bay Sands, uh, governing the principles of conflict, patterns of rules, prejudice, accomplishment signatures, fertility, sensations, genomics, statistical multivariate interference, concrete literature, traditions that exploding ideation, shape design, tangible fabric, simulations of nimble formation, underpinning the curating keynotes on awareness, satellite navigation signals. So these kinds of curators and tangible femtosecond optics human computer interaction, sensing to control to perception manipulation, empirical blockchain cloud system, extrapolate interwoven optimization learning, spatial engagement of creative experiment, analysis to architecture, technology, landscape, regions, infrastructure, green building, environment, concerns, contemporary eras, digital stimulations, evolutions transform in a way of foster chrysospheric historians, digital fabrication, design, media ecologies, antiquity, visualizations of artificial intelligence, focusing ways of designing vehicles, understanding of fears, hope, aspirations, fine art, infusing complex challenges, profoundly intricacies craft, compelling creative briefs, formulate synthesis innovations, and rearing the narrative to bring your concept in a detail, vision, user-centered perspective, design lens that evolve the draft, shape the draft, form the report, document, comprises of all of these kinds of aspects, measures, procedures, as I mentioned, and delight, resonate of deeply enhanced, hopeful, perceived, longevity, collective visions, framed core values, stemming stimulus, discern fertility, transform strategic uncertainty, counterintuitive envisioning that circumstance dictate the layered